Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm thrilled to kick off this free SEO course with you. And whether you are a complete beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, then you are in the right place. So, let's start with the basics of SEO. At first, we need to know what does SEO means. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. In simple terms, it is the practice of optimizing your website so that it ranks higher in search engine results like Google. The higher you rank, the more visible you are to potential visitors and customers. At this point, a question must arise in your mind that why is SEO important? Well, over 90% of people do not go past the first page of search results. Yes, you heard that right. If your site is not on that first page, most people would not even know you exist. That's why learning SEO is such a game changer. You get the free traffic. It's basically like having your business open 24-hour for anyone who is searching for what you offer. Now I would like to talk about the course plan. Here is how this course is going to go. We will break SEO down into easy to flow lessons. In number 1, we will going to discuss about the keyword research. Number 2, on-page SEO optimization. Number 3, off-page SEO. Number 4, technical SEO. Number 5, link building. And number 6, measuring success with analytics. So, for the next video, we will be diving into the first step, keyword research. It is like finding out what your potential customers are searching for so you can create content that matches. And also, in that video, I will show you how to use more free tools to discover keywords that will bring more visitors to your site. Well, this is for the intro. If you are ready to dive in, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and let's get started with lesson 1 on keyword research. So, see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.